a manual. So here's a standard transmission stick. I've already started the process. I went through and watched the videos on how they do it. I have removed the panel on the driver's side there underneath. That is removed so I can get to the bolts on the steering column. All the automatics, this is all the same here. This is not going to change. The part that I'm doing is for this part here, because this is different. Now, had to take out the two rubbers in the cup holders. And I had to remove that bolt and that bolt. There are also 4 screws. 1, 2, and 2 more on this side. 3 and 4 that hold this into place. That also holds all this on. As you can see, it's now rattling a little bit. Now it's loose. Then I discovered there are 2 more up here I have to get. There's this one here and that one up there. As you can see, this one right here. Okay, I had to pop off my selector cone to get to those. So that is the part I wanted to show. Sorry about the different camera angles, but I'm using my phone and it's been interesting trying to get this done. So I will continue on here, and when I get that part removed and out of the way, I'll show you next. Like I said, I showed you where all the bolts were, so be right back. Alright, here we go. I got those last 2 removed, and now we can actually move this out of the way and get to those 2 10mm bolts right here that they talk about on the manual, on the automatic removal. Now the next part that I'm going to show is where to put the dash after I get the rest of it removed, because again, automatics allow you to swing this dash out of the way, like clear over here into the seat area, you know, and then strap this side up to a handle here up on top, which I don't have. You know, the handle that's up here, you know, from here. Well, I don't have that. So I will get the rest of this removed, pull this out, and I'll try to see how we're going to do this. I don't think I'll have to have a support down here, a support block like I've seen in the automatics, and of course the strap, because I do believe that the handle here for the manual transmission will hold the dash in place. But let's see what happens. They're not sponsoring the video or anything, but I do want to give a shout out to Husky Tools and Ryobi Tools. These are the tools that I'm using today on this project. I have some other miscellaneous tools that I'm using, but it's nothing, you know, these are my main ones I've been using. I've got my Ryobi drill over here I've been using to remove all these little screws, and now I'll use my impact wrench to remove the 10mm bolts that we have here and on the driver's side, those ones here on the steering column, the 2 that we're going to have. And I did put a rag in there like they've shown on some of the other videos to protect these wires on the steering column. But I will use my impact to do all the rest, and I will use my little impact drill to take these ones out. Actually, that's got something in it I need to get out of the way. Yeah, I will use my impact drill on those. I don't want to use my impact wrench. It's too big of a tool. So, but again, just wanted to give a shout out to Ryobi, also Makita, or Milwaukee. Been using some Milwaukee bits today. So, again, they're not sponsoring the video, but just wanted to give them a shout out. There'll be links in the description to these tools. I purchased them at Home Depot. Okay, I got the dash free here. I can move the whole thing now. See, there it is. It's free. It's moving. Okay, I should be able to swing it out of the way here without too much trouble, apparently, according to the videos. So, like I said, we're free. So let me get it moved out of the way and I'll get back to you. Couldn't figure out why I was having a problem. Found 2 more screws. There's one right there, and the other one's right there. So there's 2 more at the top of the gear shifter that I have to take off. So those last 2 screws release that plate, and I can slide this up out of the way. Got this up out of there. And let's see, I'm trying to think of how to get this out of here. It's only one piece. Do I have to undo the gear shifter? I might have to undo the gear shifter. Trying to figure this out here. Let's see. It looks like it. I'm not sure how it rolls out exactly though. Okay, well, I'll figure that out and come back. Looks like I have to undo it from here. Big wrench. The other miscellaneous tools I was talking about, I'm using Blue Point from Snap-on. So I'll be using those and seeing if I can get that gear shifter off. Takes a 19mm, turns towards the driver's side to loosen it. I got it loose, now I can just turn it. I'm taking the whole stick off. Whole stick is turning there, so I'll put her back on when I'm done here. A little bit of finagling, a little finesse, and voila, there it is. Gear shifter's off, everything's out. Now I should be able to swing this dash out here with no problem. Alright, there you go, folks. How to take apart the manual transmission shifter for removing the dash on a 98 to 2001 Dodge Ram 1500 manual transmission, standard transmission. There'll be links in the description. Looks like I missed a couple of screws here and here. I'll have to look and see if I broke those off on the other panel, but yeah, that's how you do it. So, links in the description. Check the description. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like this video. It's the only one I couldn't find any on manual transmission, so I figured I'd make this and upload it onto my channel. And let's see. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification bell. That way you can know when I got new videos coming out. This has been my first video for a while, so, but I'll try to get some more to you. But anyway, I figured I'd upload that and let you guys know. Thanks for watching.